Hi guys, today got an invite to visit the Imperial College, and the best part is it's a hidden gem. Nobody knows about this college. It's not much marketing done as well, and this is only for finance. They don't not allowing any marketing companies to come on campus. So let's check out the campus and let's understand what kind of companies are coming on campus and what kind of profiles are being offered, and talking to a few of the students and the faculty. One of the main thing which I check in every college is ROI, because ROI is a very important factor from the student's point of view. So Imperial का ये एक advantage है कि यहाँ पे the batch size is less and ROI point of view average package is around 8.5 lakhs to 9 lakhs and fees is only 7.98 lakhs. So ROI point of view, this is a good investment for the students. ROI point. So when we talk about the finance profiles, so it's a hard stop to no sales companies altogether.
So strictly as an institute, we have a strict norm of not welcoming any of the institutions, any of the organizations which offer sales roles to our students, very strictly. Even if they are domestic banks, we always welcome domestic banks, but only if they offer us technical roles. So we don't provide sales roles to our students. We do train them into other domains of even domestic banking, but that's also into the credit side of it or the trade forex side of it, the trade finance, treasury, all those parts. So sales is a strict no for our students.
So when we talk about core finance profiles, अगर वैसी जॉब चाहिए तो उसके लिए सर्टिफिकेशन भी करना पड़ेगा. So college is providing certification in KPMG, certification by IIM Indore as well. So you are learning everything from the corporate point of view, from the finance point of view, which is required for the corporates. And on the other hand, there's a negative side as well. Yeah, a lot of people join colleges like Bajaj हो गया, other way where the finance is good by the name of finance. Imperial as well, the same problem as well. कि once you join the college, बट तुम्हें फाइनेंस से ज़्यादा कॉलेज के नाम में प्लेसमेंट में इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है, वहाँ प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है. बिकॉज तुमने ज्वाइन तो कर लिया, फाइनेंस में इंटरेस्ट है नहीं, सो दैट विल बी प्रॉब्लम. सो इफ़ यू आर कोर फोकस ऑन फाइनेंस, देन ओनली यू शुड लुक एट दिस कॉलेज, अदरवाइज देयर विल बी प्रॉब्लम. 2 साल निकालने बहुत टफ हो जाएंगे. आई ऑल्सो वेंट टू MBA विद द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ फाइनेंस, लेकिन 2 दिन में अकल आ गई कि भैया फाइनेंस अपनी बस की बात नहीं है. सो प्लीज़ मेकअप योर माइंड, फाइनेंस कोर में इंटरेस्ट है तभी आप अप्लाई करो. So I'm really impressed with the campus, especially this library infrastructure. It's kind of a पढ़ने का मजा आएगा if you are sitting in this kind of environment. So when we talk about the assignments point of view, from the ones who learn the thing you have to apply as well. So there are 4 kind of internship which are offered here: summer placement, winter placements, live corporate assignments where you go and work with the companies, and of course the final placements. ताकि हमारा once you are coming out of the college, so your knowledge is not limited to the library only, but you are learning from the experience or learning with the companies as well. How kind of a stringent admission criteria you follow? You give more weightage to my CAT score, CET score, or you give more weightage for the interview?
So we have aggregate score wherein we consider your entrance exam score also. So the weightage that is given to entrance exam, that is almost 25 to 30%. Major weightage is given to our PI rounds. Also we consider your academic background, which means your 10th, 12th and graduation score throughout. Your extracurricular activities is also given 5% of weightage, and 45% weightage is given to the PI rounds. So we believe that through PI rounds we'll be able to analyze a student in a better way, wherein we can analyze the communication skills, technical skills, the entire background of the student. So the process is bit stringent because again we have a technical finance program. So that's why we filter out the students based on their academic scores, their overall personality, their overall communication skills. So that's how we do, because the intake is less, right? So we will not be able to
adjust everyone kind of.
Yeah. So we will not be able to shortlist all the applications, but we try our best. जो भी हमारे क्राइटेरिया में फिट इन होता है, we try to take that.
Correct. So if my 20%, 25% weightage, मतलब मेरा अगर स्कोर कम भी है, I'm still eligible for that.
Yes.
So you can apply by all the exams, all the ACT approved exams.
Yes. So
one of the best thing which I always check in the college is the batch size. तो यहाँ पे batch size is only 180. तो उसमें एक बेस्ट पार्ट क्या है कि आराम से एडमिशन हो गया तो जॉब आराम से मिल जाएगी, बिकॉज द कॉलेजेस विच हैव अ बैच साइज ऑफ 700,000 वहाँ पे प्लेसमेंट का प्रॉब्लम आता ही आता है. बट विद गुड वन पॉइंट एक सैड साइड ये भी है, बिकॉज बैच साइज इज स्मॉल, तो एडमिशन में हमेशा प्रॉब्लम आती है. सो दिस यू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट. दे विल ऑब्वियसली विल बी सिलेक्टिंग द गुड स्टूडेंट्स. सो प्रोफाइल अच्छा होना चाहिए, या एकेडमिक रिकॉर्ड अच्छा होना चाहिए, या किसी एग्जाम में अच्छा स्कोर आना चाहिए. सो गेटिंग इनटू द कॉलेज बिकम मोर टफ व्हेन द बैच साइज इज स्मॉल. And there's the same struggle with JBIMS with FMS जहाँ पे छोटा बैच साइज है वहाँ पे सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं. So luckily I got a chance to meet the student and she just got a job. 1 hour ago she got the confirmation that she finally got a job and that's among the first people to get placement on campus क्योंकि अभी campus season start नहीं होता है इतना जल्दी. So which all exam you gave to join Imperial College?
So before taking admission into at Imperial, I have appeared for a couple of management entrance exams. So I got at Imperial through CET.
CET, what was your percentile?
I had scored a fair 85 percentile.
यार CET का है ना कि 85 percentile में वैसे भी MS का top 10 कॉलेज नहीं मिलने वाला था.
Yes.
So rather than joining any XYZ college, better to apply for the PGDM and take admission in Imperial.
Yeah.
It makes sense. And you used to follow.
Yes, I used to since MBA CET exam is conducted at the very end after all the prior entrance exams. So I have used to follow your channel. So that has been very instrumental in my journey. Yet I did not score very high, but it has been. I'm telling you, it has been.
No, it's a good score. It's a trust me, sir. So yeah, मैं normally तभी कहता हूँ ना 3-4 एग्जाम दे दो, एक तो निकलेगा.
Exactly.
If you're not doing well in CAT, ZAT, it's obviously end up the CET सबका वो
CAT is a
fail
very
करके
big
जाता है.
deal, you know.
CAT निकालना tough हो जाता है, no doubt at times. So once you join the college, so you might have seen the improvement in yourself. कि
Yes.
तो in the last 2 years का journey, what all improvements or how college help you to get a job? And she got among the first people to get the job on campus.
Yes, today I got selected at Blackstone.
अच्छा आज ही हुआ है, अरे वाह.
हाँ, आज ही आया है, today evening. So my journey has been very. I come from a very different background, and then joining over here, leaving my home, and coming to Imperial.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pune.
Pune.
But then again, it's like 40 kilometers away from here, so I had to leave my parents'
Shift
place
down.
and shift over here. So it has been a process rather. So I used to be a completely different person, and even my faculty is like, when you came, you were a completely different person, and now see the transition and being amongst the first to get placed. It is a very big deal in itself.
Correct.
And coming from a non-finance background and then
doing
majoring into finance is also
यार
something.
ये एक काफ़ी बच्चों का कंसर्न रहता है कि अगर मैं फाइनेंस बैकग्राउंड का नहीं हूँ, will I be able to cope up with the environment?
Yes, you can. If there is your interest, you can.
Interest है तो हाँ.
And
Passion है
you
तो
just have to put extra efforts. हो जाता है.
Correct.
करना है तो हो जाता है. It works that way.
हर चीज़ में
And
effort
also
होता
to add it up, I would say that I also bagged like 8 trophies, like straight.
Wow.
So it's like
during the last 2 years journey.
Yeah, no, the 1 year journey.
Last 1 year journey. अच्छा अब तो अब
Yes.
प्लेसमेंट हो गई.
So
अरे
I
अरे ये
have
फायदा है.
topped coming from a non-finance background. So anything is possible if you put in the efforts.
Correct. अभी यहाँ पे बिलियर्ड्स का कंपटीशन होके हटा है. आई थिंक दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम सीइंग एनी कॉलेज, MBA कॉलेज जहाँ पे बिलियर्ड्स का कंप्लीट फुल लेंथ टेबल हो. So apart from the curriculum, all the extracurricular activities are very important part of any college. So location wise, we are sitting in Hinjewadi, one of the prime location, main corporate hub of the country. So campus भी बहुत प्यारा है. So I think this all add value to the holistic approach, holistic learning for the student. So ma'am, we talked about 4 kind of opportunities that give to students, like starting from summer placement, winter placement, then live projects, and then the main final placements. So how this cycle works, how you engage all the things.
Okay, see, if you see any traditional MBA institute wherein the specialization start in second semester or in third semester, but what we do, we start specialization in first semester itself. So we have almost 4 to 5 technical subject of finance that we start from first semester, and in every technical finance subjects we have a live assignment. So what generally we believe that practical learning is more important than theoretical learning. So we are doing this live assignment wherein we give 50% weightage in our evaluation process to live assignment, wherein we are asking our students to go in the market and study that particular subject. So for example, we have a subject on investment banking. So faculty is giving the live assignment to every group to do the live assignment in investment banking. So we are getting lot of global banks for the placement. So students are going back, studying their JDs, even they are going to the market and they are making the live projects on this. So this is how they are studying it, and after this we are placing them in summer internship and then final internship. Before that they go for winter internship as well, wherein we place them with lot of CS where they get hands-on experience in accounting practices.
Correct.
And then we have a international immersion tour as well. Thank you.
Great.
Sure.
So thank you very much,
Yes.
ma'am. Last date is coming to apply, so please do apply for the program. Thank you.
Yes.